If you want to hide game activity on your Steam profile, there are actually two different ways to do it, depending on what you want to keep private. You can either hide everything globally or you can hide just one specific game. In this video, I'll walk you through both methods step by step so you can choose the one that works best for you. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick Steam tips and gaming how-tos. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's cover the global privacy method. This is the best option if you want to hide all of your game details at once. Open Steam and make sure you're signed in. In the top right corner, click on your username, then choose View Profile. This will take you to your public Steam profile page. Once you're on your profile, click Edit Profile. From there, open Privacy Settings. This is where Steam lets you control what other people can see on your account. Now look for the setting called Game Details. By default, this is usually visible to friends or the public, depending on your account settings. Change that setting to Private. When you set game details to private, Steam hides a lot more than just your game list. It also hides your owned games, your wish list, your achievements, and your in-game status. So if you're trying to keep your activity completely private, this is the strongest option. It's simple, fast, and it applies to your whole account. Now let's talk about the second method, which is the new individual game privacy option for 2026. This one is really useful if you only want to hide one game and keep the rest of your profile visible. For example, maybe you don't want one game to appear on your profile, but you still want your other games, achievements, and activity to stay public. To do that, go back to Steam and open your library. Find the game you want to hide, then right-click it. In the menu, hover over Manage, and then choose Mark as Private. Steam will immediately apply the privacy setting to that specific game. The result is nice and clean. That game will be hidden from your Steam profile and it will also be removed from your recently played list. But unlike the global method, your other games will still remain visible. So this gives you a lot more control if you only want to hide a single title. If you're wondering which method to use, here's the simple rule. If you want everything hidden, use the global privacy setting. If you only want to hide one game, use the individual private game option. That way you can decide whether to lock down your whole profile or just one part of it. Also, after changing these settings, it's a good idea to double check your profile from another account or using a fresh browser window if you want to confirm what other people can see. That can help you make sure the privacy change worked exactly the way you wanted. And that's it. Now you know how to hide game activity on your Steam profile using both the full privacy method and the new per game option. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Steam tutorials, gaming setup guides, and privacy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.